Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 20th of April. So now let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So the pre-open market has opened with 1.16% up. Okay, so the Nifty 50 is opening at 14,526.70 with 167.25% up. This is a gap up only. Later the market might come down today, but this is opening in a highly gap up section. And advances stocks are 48 if you guys can see here, and declines are only 2, and unchanged is only 0 stock. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the most gap up section, that is Adani Ports with 3.29% up if you guys can see here, and Dr. Reddy with 2.65% up. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the most gap down section, that is Techem with 0.41% down, and Britannia with only 0.29% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market is looking today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So before that, if you are new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading and want to stop your losses from today and want to recover your losses from today, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also guys, there is a offer from Upstock. So if you open your Upstock account from the link given in the description below of this video, you will get a free trading account. You don't need to pay any money. For free you will get a Upstock trading account, and if you open today you get more offers. Okay, you get free 1 month trading with zero brokerage. There's been no brokerage charge from your side. There will be free trading for 1 month, and you will get zero brokerage. Okay, there is no brokerage charges on stocks, mutual fund, digital gold, IPO and NFO. Okay, so whatever you trade, whether in future and option or equity, stock, long term or short term or anything you trade, if you open your account today, for the next 1 month full, you don't have to pay any brokerage charges. So it's free account. You can click the link in the description below of this video and click on and make a free account and also trade for free. Okay, so once you open your Upstock account by using the link given in the description below of this video, you will be added to my Telegram channel where I share some of the stock market facts and news. So guys, right now I selected Sun Pharma to trade and I'll be short selling now. So I shall short sell Sun Pharma now. Yeah. So around 643.30 is where the short sell has been taken. So now let's wait to go down for Sun Pharma. Let's wait for the stock to go down. So I guess it was taking much time to break that 641 low because there was some little support at 641. So now it is coming down. So now it's at 640.50 something. The low has been made. Still holding the short sell position. So we'll see. We'll wait for it to go down a little bit more. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the Sun Pharma has closed today at 645.15, and I took my exit around 640 somewhere because I came to know that there was a support which was holding at 641, and the stock, exactly how I thought, it did bounce up and go all the way up till 659.5, which is a very good upwards movement today. But I didn't take a buy entry here. I just took my short sell entry and I took my exit. So it made a low of 639.15 around 10 o'clock, if you guys can see here. So as you guys saw, I shorted at 643.50 and I took my exit around 640 because I was watching the stock and it was going again to 640, 641 and again coming back. So it was just in the range bound until it gave a breakout for buy side here around 1 o'clock. Okay, so that's why I decided to take my exit around 640 and I booked my profit, and later it went all the way up. It did a very good upwards movement. The movement came out very quickly, but I didn't buy it because I follow my discipline. I don't do over trading. I only took one trade and I booked my profit. Okay, so this was the profit what I booked today on the Sun Pharma trade. And even if you see Nifty 50 was in a higher trends, it was going upwards and it was a gap up today almost. Okay, and once the gap up was there, it only sustained for the few minutes in the opening, and then Nifty 50 came down and closed at 0.44% down today at 40,296. Okay, so this was how the Nifty performed today. And also here was my support line which I drawn around 14,250 and it touched there and took a support and closed above it today. We'll see how the market will perform tomorrow. And this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Sun Pharma. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques in intraday trading to make consistent profit, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.